A magnitude 6.8 quake has shaken the Tibet region in western China. There are conflicting reports about the number of fatalities. China's state-run news agency says 32 people have died and at least 38 more are injured. News agency Reuters has revised down its initial reports, now saying at least 9 people have died. The tremor struck near one of Tibet's holiest cities, damaging buildings around Shigatse, near the border with Nepal. The China Earthquake Centre detected the quake just after 9 a.m. local time at a depth of just 10 kilometres. That's relatively shallow. Tremors were felt in Nepal's capital, Kathmandu, some 400 kilometres away.